this is Siddharth from Toppers with Class 10, and today we're going to know in detail about the Indian Institute of Science, which is a very famous university, and it's ranked number two and number one in 2019 as far as so in the NIRF ranking of all the colleges in India. So today, because I know there's a great difference between there is very less difference between the IIT and the IISc. So I made separate videos on detail. The next video will be upon the Indian Institute of Technology. So this one is the Indian Institute of Science. Let's move on. Guys, it is number one in India in terms of science in 2019, and it's number 36 ranking in all over Asia, and number 94 in all over the globe. And guys, always remember this was the only university to be placed in the top 100 in the world ranking. Always remember this. As the admission is, there are many ways. Either one of these exams you qualify, you'll be easily, after the exam, there'll be an interview. After the interview, they'll get you admitted to the college, to the university. So the first one is the KVPYSA. The KVPY mainly means the Kishore Vaignanik Protsaha Yojana, and this exam is open and is conducted by IIC itself. So one good thing about this is the KVPI SA can be taken by 11th standard students, and the portions will be a little bit of 10th and the whole of 11th. So many people aim for the SA stream because it will be quite easy, and if you clear that, you don't need to clear anything else. You just need to get above 75% in your 12th boards. Nothing else is needed for the IISc admission, and SX will be the one which will be taken in your 12th standard, um, which is the SX stream, and the portions will be 11th and 12th, so the specified topics. So if for the portion, guys, whenever you're taking these exams, go to the web and check out the portion. So the third one is KVPI SB. SB stream is for the students who are in the first semester of any college. If they want to join IISc, they can take this exam. The next one is JEE Mains and JEE Advanced. As you all know, it's one of the well-known and very most competitive exams throughout India. Um, JEE Mains and then followed by the Advanced. The portions are just PCM for both JEE Mains and Advanced. For KVPI, it will be PCMB because it's mainly into core science. And NEET UG, UG is the full form of undergraduates. But guys, if you're aiming for NEET, it's only for medical students. If you're going through an engineering subjects, please don't take NEET. And NEET is only PC and B. There's nothing else. There's no maths. Guys, if you're aiming for engineering type like materials or environmental or physics or maths, always aim for the JEE Advanced KVPI and JEE Mains. Never aim for NEET. NEET is only for bio and um, medical students. There's the campus and look coming to the campus and location. The location is in Bangalore, Karnataka, and it's in India. And the campus is 370 acres all over India. It is the biggest, and it's very, very old. It was formed around in the 1990s, 1919. It's about a century old. It's very, very old, and the campus is really big, and it's full of trees. You can go on the web and see a few videos. And it all inside this 370 acres, it includes a very large library, around three to four hostels, and research departments where it mainly means about physics, maths, departments. That's what I mean, and canteens too. There are around two to three of them, canteens. When coming to the fee structure, the tuition fee is 10 10,000. It's very cheap, guys, because it is government owned. It is very, very cheap. It is cheaper than um, um, you know it is cheaper than private colleges in India, and one of the well-known also, and it is cheaper than the IIT also. Though IIT is a government owned, this IISc is quite cheap, but the amount of knowledge you gain is totally a lot, and that's the truth. The tuition fee is to 10,000, the gymkhana is 1,200. The academic fee, which is other ones, if you are taking exceptional, will be 3,700. The emergency fund will be just 300, and statutory deposit will be 7,500. The library deposit will be 7,500. If you count everything, it will come up to around 31,000 guys, which is really cheap, which can be afforded, which is less than your school fees. This is the fee structure. And guys, now we come to the undergraduate courses and the programs which is there in undergraduate of the undergraduate programs of the Indian Institute of Science. The first one, let's go for the physics. As always, remember in IAC there is no branch out like mechanical engineering, or there's nothing like electronics or electrical engineering. There's no specific branch. It is a core science, so the branches are physics, maths, bio, chemistry, environmental science, and material science. So guys, this is the only six you can name. You can take any one of these, but if you take physics, they go into core. So the first one is physics. Coming to physics, they cover all these topics related to the quantum physics, string theory, and many. And the amount of exposure they give is really a lot, beautiful and captivating, and challenge our imagination. Then going in core for the program according to the semesters during the first three semesters, especially in IISc guys, it is let me just take the highlighter. Yes. So in the first three semesters, it is the out of the 4 year Bachelor of Science research program. In IISc, all students will be taught the rich mix of fundamental courses, which is all of them, namely physics, chemistry, math, bio, and the basic foundations and principle of engineering. Guys, this is what I told. If you cannot take IIT, if you're more into engineering, you can even take IISc. There is an option right down there for you. Guys, aim for this, and the fees is small, and getting into it is really easy. And this is one thing. And the one is this multidisciplinary learning will be tremendous an asset for all the students who come to the college, and especially so who are going to pursue advanced degrees. I told you in the last video regarding masters and PhD. If you guys want to go into research, it's mainly well known to take into masters and PhD, and for emerging in indisciplinary areas. So that's all that. And in physics, it's mainly, I think, yes, from here. An important feature of the program is also to give opportunity for the students. They'll have to carry out for small research projects during the final year. And one more thing, guys, in each program of the undergraduate, the last 2 semesters, which is mainly the last year, the fourth year of your undergraduate program will be core into the research part, and some of the masters field, some of the advanced topics also come, and it is really important. The fourth year of IAC is mainly into innovation and research. Then this is the physics faculty members, and then it provides an ideal environment for the translating classroom learning into cutting edge research applications. So guys, remember in IAC the exposure is really a lot. You might some people might have took the wrong program, but still the exposure you can get into many fields, many fields. So this is for the physics program. And yeah, the next one is coming to chemistry. The second one is chemistry. The topics covered is water purification, environmental remediation, development of environmentally bane chemical process, then energy storage, molecular mechanisms, and for disease and development. of new molecules of that cure. You guys might not know these topics. You will learn in the college time. Just you can research on these topics if you are really interested. Coming to the chemistry program, it is out of the 4-year Bachelor of Science research. The research program of chemistry intends to provide a rich mix of fundamental courses, just like physics, of physics, chemistry, biology, maths during the first 3 semesters. That basically means the first 1.5 year out of the 4 years. Then after that, chemistry, you can just pause the video and take the screenshot if you want to read in detail. It topics in 40 odd research laboratories, and they provide as you guys know, the campus is really huge, so the laboratories are very technical and good. Then that is it for chemistry, guys. The topics, as I told, is in this slide. Just take a screenshot or research about it if you guys want to take the chemistry field. Coming to mathematics, the mathematics program at IAC provides or aims the first trade foundation for pursuing research in mathematics and well-known essential quantitative skills. And guys, it mainly talks about they talk about algebra, analysis, geometry, probability theory, and topology. If you don't know topology or analysis, you can research in the web about it if you're interested in the mathematics program. Then coming to materials, guys, materials with the material science is very interesting. In this material science, this program gives you guys an opportunity to master not only science but even engineering. Guys, always see if you don't get a place in any university for electrical, electronics, mechanical, computer, engineering, always come to IISc. It's the best place to learn and it gives exposure even to engineering. Always remember, guys. So for the material science program, the curriculum which starts in your first 3 semesters and it includes mechanics, modeling, design, processing of materials, devices, components. This is mainly like your mechanical engineering. It includes material chemistry too. See, I told you guys, electronic materials and materials processing. Tutorials and laboratories will also be complemented in the traditional lectures. Then see guys, this is the one of the main point, the fourth one. The final year project will include a program including materials engineering, material research center, mechanical engineering. As you guys, if you don't get anywhere else, here is what is electronics and communication, chemistry and physics. So that's it, guys. Take a screenshot or pause the video and watch. Read it in detail. For the exact link for all these to be read, I'll share it to you in the description box. For the the exact link where you can if you guys want to if you guys are aiming for the Indian Institute of Science, I'll give you the link in the description box. Next, coming to biology, the biofield, the medical field, as you all know. In this, it houses around 65 research groups located in IAC. It includes biochemistry, ecological science, microbiology, and cell biology. Apart from that, molecular biophysics, molecular reproduction and development of genetics and neurosciences, a wide exposure of it. When coming to the program, the first 3 years, the first 3 semesters will be core of chemistry, physics, maths, and engineering and humanities. Then coming to the core one, it comes into genetics, ecology, and environmental biology, immunology, vaccinology, microbiology, and all of these things, mainly, you know, related to bio and medical science. So take a screenshot or pause it for reading it in detail. Next, coming to the last one, which is environmental science, which is completely related to the environment. Then at the environmental science in ISC, it's mainly earth and environmental science, earth and environmental science. So it provides an integrated and interdisciplinary approach to the understand and mitigate hazards arising from the global warming. Mainly, it's into that environmental engineering and earth sciences. and environmental chemistry. Um, Coming to the program, the first 3 semesters again, it's going to be physics, chemistry, mathematics, and biology. And coming to the end, it goes into core for environmental science, which will be taught in salient topics in environmental chemistry, earth science, atmospheric science. All these come under the this category, guys. Environmental engineering also is there. Then the earth and environmental science students will have an opportunity to undertake research and practice-oriented projects in the final semesters, which is the basically the last 2 semesters, which is in the final year, the fourth year. Guys, this is it. This is about the Indian Institute of Science. The next video will be about um, the Indian Institute of Technology, and after that, the next video will be about the last video will be about a comparison of which to choose and which field is better and which college is better. And I'll make a video separate for both for IAC and IIT. And the third one will be a combination of it. The differences and the advantages, the pros and cons will be given in that. Till those videos come, please subscribe, like, and share this video. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.